to stop illegal dealings of cough syrups in the area under Padampur Excise Police Station. Under the orders of Excise Superintendent Subarna Naik, a large-scale raid is underway by Excise Station Officer H Jagarao, ASI Devendra Bariha, Vinod Tirki and colleagues in BeheraPada of Gaisilet village. "35 cough syrups have been seized from an illegal cough syrup dealer named Gopal Behera. Court proceedings for the accused has begun. It is to note that Paikmal Excise Station staff also lend a helping hand in the mentioned raid." Stay tuned to Orissapost Live to stay updated.